On the ground floor you have the food court, and I'm looking forward to explore that. Good morning! It's the 1st of December, it's almost 11 o'clock and I'm here at the Phrom Phong BTS station, and today I'm gonna give you an update about a shopping mall that I already waited for a very long time. This is the Em-Quartier, and the Em-Quartier opens today. So they rolled out the red carpet, and this is the thing. This is the finalization of the M District, the Em-Quartier, the Helix Quarter. Well, while I'm here, I can also give you an update regarding the Christmas decoration. So this is the Christmas tree this year at the Em-Quartier, but we are not here for the Helix Quarter or the Em-Quartier or the Emporium Mall. We are here for the Em-Quartier, which is right there in front. So last week they opened the Sky Bridge, and the Sky Bridge gives you easy access to the mall. See, on the top floor there you see the UOB Live, which is a big theater that will hold 5,000 people. There are going to be a lot of activities taking place here. So if you saw the live stream that I did last Monday, then you must have seen the Skywalk that already opened. As I already expected, I'm not the only person that is going to come and have a look here. And I guess tonight there is going to be some official celebrations. Let's jump on the red carpet. I can imagine that this is a stressful event to do an opening like this. So from here you have a good view of the IKEA, and in my last video I already mentioned that this is probably going to be one of the best places in the world to eat your IKEA meatballs. So let's go and try that a little bit later. So this is next to the Benchasiri park. It actually creates an amazing district here. You know, this is one of the nice things about living in Bangkok. There's always something new opening up, and this is our newest toy. It's December, it's the holiday month, so I guess they wanted to open it up so that they can still benefit of the Christmas shopping. So let's have a look inside. Sawadee-krap. So the whole mall basically opened already. And let me just show you a little bit inside. I just went in already to have a peek. So here you have the main entrance. On the ground floor you have the food court, and I'm looking forward to explore that. Then here you have the main escalators, and they go all the way up to the IKEA, which covers the top floor. You know, the BTS line is running right here, but let's go to the food court. This is a big event for all the people that live in Bangkok. And it's been such a long time that this project was under construction. This is pretty. You can get into a winter wonderland here. So this is a kind of an event hall at the entrance. Well, look who has his cheesecake here. Phrom. Yeah, this is definitely a mall that we're gonna visit a lot more in the near future. But I'm happy to give you guys an update on how it looks now. Gourmet market. Yeah, I have to come back one time to check out all the restaurants here. It seems that there are a lot of new names, so see some new food challenges going on here in the near future. See, the people are in line here tonight. There's going to be a big show here, and everybody wants to be a part of it. So let's make our way up to the IKEA. This is a good way to have an overview of all the levels. So the IKEA has the whole top floor, which is the 5th floor. You can buy a car if you want. I have to come back one time to do a thorough search of the area. So here we are at the main occupier of this place, IKEA. Hey, Sukhumvit. Nice. You know, if you've been to an IKEA, you've probably seen them all, but I don't know how big this one is, but it probably has the same size of a regular IKEA. Well, the IKEA is just like any other IKEA that you can find in Bangkok. There are actually 3 IKEAs in the Greater Bangkok, and I say Greater Bangkok because it's the first one in the Bangkok province. The other one is in Nonthaburi in the central Westgate, and then there is one at Mega Bang Na, which is Samut Prakan. So this is the main reason why I came here. I've seen this restaurant develop. Hey. And this is on the next building, and I just want to have a look and see how the views are here from the IKEA restaurant. If you come here on the right time, you will have a great view of the Benchasiri Park. Well, it's not the right time, just just walk a little bit. And here you have a pretty epic view. And I can imagine if you come here in the evening, it's going to be even better. And here you can see the fountain show, as long as it lasts. Definitely have to come back here in the evening. So the pickup area is definitely a bit smaller than the one you have in the big IKEAs outside, but the shopping area seems to be quite similar, and you can get the same products. So let's get out. I'm here on the 6th floor, and you find the UOB Live, which is the big event hall and theater. I don't know much about cars, but I do know that these ones they must be from the 50s or 60s. Nice. Volkswagen. So there's a whole floor here with luxury cars. So if you wake up in the early morning and you're in need of a luxury car, just come here. You can just pick them up here. Yeah, this is a great addition to the Bangkok shopping scene. The M district is finally ready. You know, the Christmas tree was already placed here last week. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the M-Sphere here and the Phrom Phong BTS station in Bangkok. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe. You know I will keep you up to date about anything that goes on in Bangkok. Drop me a line and see you guys in my next video.